Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Paulie C. This is just going to be a little short video of something I got for the 2026 Chevrolet Trax. I'm actually in the process of putting some of the old stuff from my other Trax into this one. Then the Amazon guy showed up. So anyways, I got another turbo symbol to go on the back, emblem. These are good. They're like metal and they're pretty sturdy, kind of like a matte look. I'll try to leave links up on the cards for the video that I put on the last one. Unfortunately, I put it on a week before I traded it in, and oh well, I'm only about 11-12 bucks Canadian. So anyways, these things are pretty clever. I've seen them, I don't see too many videos on them, but they go in between the seat, and what they do is they protect stuff from falling in between the seat. Like, that's my pet peeve, you know. I'll have like my phone, all of a sudden it goes down there and I try to get my hands in there and I can't. So anyways, we're gonna install those right now. Let's see how they work. All right, just to get a perspective of what they look like, there's the back, and they're like made out of foam, and they actually match really well. So this part goes around the seat belt, and it can be moved back and forth, so you're not going to lose anything. So we're going to put those in and see how it goes. Okay, it's real simple, guys. Just put it around the seat belt like so. Position it. Make sure it's nice and flush. And just pull the seat back a little and kind of adjust it to the way you want it. And see? Now you can move the seat back and forth, no problem, just for an example. And there you go. So I'm going to leave the product links to that below, so you guys can check it out. Just going to do the other side now. Okay, so same thing. That's weird on this side. Alright, so just pull that back a bit, slide it in, and it's a perfect fit. Actually, that can sit up like that. There we go. And it molds in there just perfectly, and you can see, like I did before with the seat, back and forth, no problem. There you go. Alright guys, there you go. Another day, another mod. I just made this video, a quick video, to give you an update on the channel. We're going to be doing more Trax videos, so stay tuned. There's another little mod out of the way. We're going to have more stuff coming as well. I am going on a camping trip this weekend, actually more of a cabin trip. I'm going to make videos up there, totally unrelated. The Trax is going to be in it too. It's going to be on a few playlists, so stay tuned to that. And stay tuned to the channel in general. I got more stuff coming for the Trax. I'm, like I say, in the process of putting other stuff from the old Trax and the new Trax, getting rid of stuff I don't like, and just tidying things up. So that's pretty much it. So anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Also be sure to check out my link tree. It's got all my links to all of my social media. Join me wherever you want. Also, give this video a hype on your mobile device. That really helps the channel. Basically, go down to the comments, swipe left, and it should be there somewhere. If you don't know how to do that, just go to YouTube and check out how to do it. Anyways, check that out. If you could support my channel, I have a buy my coffee in the link tree. Also, it's in the links in general in the description below. Anyways, until next time, we'll see you. Have a good one, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Bye.